back at you today with a new video. This one featuring a DIY crochet braids faux lock unit. Actually, it's a bow lock unit. Want to get all the 411? Just stay tuned. The wig cap I'm using today, I purchased at my local beauty supply store for only $4.99. It is a U-part cornrow cap. Company that makes it is called Q-Fit. Has an adjustable strap in the back and also comes with 4 clips. The hair I'm using is from Model Glance Braid. It is their 12-inch bow lock. Now you have probably seen the free tress version of this hair. Free tress makes their bow lock in 18 inches and 14 inches. Model makes their bow lock in 12 inches and 20 inches. And as we all know, Free Tress and Model are basically affiliated companies under the same umbrella. SNG/Model is the parent company, of which Free Tress is a SNG brand. So basically, I decided to do the Model version instead of the Free Tress version, only because the Free Tress version is everywhere. I've even seen it in about 2 or 3 of my local beauty supply stores, but I've only seen the Model version online on a couple of sites. Purchased mine at MsBarn.com. They are the greatest. They ship really fast and their prices are reasonable. Only paid $4.92 a pack for this hair. It comes 2 bundles of 11 strands each for a total of 22 strands and some great colors, just like the Free Tress. I have it here in a color called Caramelt. It also comes in a peacock, a cherry wine, deep indigo, comes in some ombre colors, your solids, 613 as well as gray. Here is one bundle out of plastic so you can get a better look at how pretty this color combination is. And so some of the strands are darker than others, some are mixed, some have the lighter tips. They really came up with some nice color combinations for these bow locks. There is the loop. You get a nice ample loop that you can stick your finger in to widen, and probably if you're doing or wanting to do individuals with these, it would probably be easy to unwind them a bit to insert your natural hair and then retwist. Now this video does not include a tutorial. Anyone who follows my channel already knows I am not that girl. I don't do a lot of tutorials. I will, however, install a couple of strands just to let you see how simple and easy this is. I've installed probably about 3.5 packs, and it's only taken me about an hour to do that. So just like with crochet braids, you're going to insert your latch hook through or underneath the cornrow. Going to attach your hair, close your latch hook, pull it through. Then you're going to pull that hair down on your latch hook. Take the end of the strand, hook that into the little hook on your latch hook, close it, pass the loop over and the hair through the loop, and just pull it through and tighten it. My unit is just about complete now. I have sewn on clips to my U part, and I'm about to try on my unit and add some additional hair. And this is my completed look. I think these bow locks look really natural. The color is really pretty. They're really super light on your head. I did end up using all of the 5 packs so I could have nice full coverage. You too, let me know what you think. That'll do it for this video, YouTube. Please post any questions or comments below, anything I did not cover. I'll get right back at you. I'm out for now. I'll be back tomorrow with another new look. So please stop by my channel for that. Until then, you know what I always say. You be safe, take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.